Hello, my name is Nwodo Amarachi, and then this is my third task with the Spark Foundation. It is an exploratory data analysis on the sample superstore. I imported the library. The question said, as a business manager, try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit and what all business problems you can derive by exploring the data. So it's just explore the data. I imported the data and then I called out the first 5 using head. In data summary, I called out the tail just to give me the last 5. Then I did the df.shape, which is to give me the shape of the data set, which is 9,994 rows and 30 columns. I did describe, I got the count, mean, standard deviation, mean 25%, 50%, 25% max for each of them. And then I did df.info. This is what I got. I had to check for this duplicated values, and then I found out that there are 17 duplicated values. I had to drop them. I did that, and then checking, found out that I've dropped, so there's no more duplicated values. I checked for the end unique, and then I got these values. I checked if there's any null values in the data set, and there was no null values in the data set. I dropped the postal code column because I don't think I'll be using it, and I had to drop it. Then I had to do a correlation matrix between the sample, between the data set. And then I found out that the sales and profit, there's actually a correlation between the sales and the profit. It actually has the highest correlation with them. So for that, I have to do a visualization, sales per region. In the visualization of sales per region, I found out that West actually had the highest, followed by East, Central, and then South. And then I also have to check for the city with the highest sales. Checking for city with highest sales, I found out that Jacksonville actually has the highest sales, followed by Lafayette, and then the least is Abilene. And superstore category visualization, and for that, I plotted the data using a pie chart, and I found out that office supply has the highest with 60.3%, followed by furniture and then technology. So looking at this, says the category by category. Then subcategory visualization. I had to call out the unique values, and this is what I have. And then doing that for the subcategory visualization, I found out that binders actually had the highest, followed by paper, then furnishings, and we have phones before we get to storage. And then frequency of segments. The frequency of segments, found out that I had to visualize, and then I found out that the consumer actually had the highest frequency of segments, followed by the corporate, and before the front office. And being that I have to do frequency of sales per ship mode, frequency of sales per ship mode, then looking at the data of the visualization, that actually had the highest, followed by second class, followed by first class, and then those actually made same day shipments. And then profit sales by subcategory. I have blue for the profit and then orange for the sales. Looking at it, you could tell that the phones actually had the highest number of sales. And then the copiers actually had the highest number of profits. So there's highest number of sales for phones, then followed by chairs. From the visualization, this is what you could see. And then pie chart consumption, this is the pattern in the United States. And then finding the cost value, there was no cost value, there was no cost column in the data set. I had to add a new column called cost in the existing data set. To do that, so this is what I did, and then I had to check for the total sales by subcategory. Checking for total sales by subcategory, I found out that chairs actually had the highest. So people purchase more chairs, they followed by phones. So there's more purchase of chairs, then followed by phone, then tablets. So from here, you can see that the list is fasteners. That's the least purchase people make. Then after that, I had to do the percentage profits. Looking at the percentage profit, this is what I get. Sales and then the percentage is the highest. So we have 2.261. And whenever I make a sales of this, you have profit of this. For a sale of this, you have a profit of this. Then from that, I had to check, okay, identify which subcategory makes the most profit. Looking at which subcategory makes the most profit, this is the subcategory column. The phones actually makes more profit. Just like so there. Phones actually make more profit. So from there, after the phones, we find out that it's followed by the paper and then before the appliances. So the phones actually make more profit for paper. So there's actually a lot to visualize for this data. This is just it. Thank you.